Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand dishwasher, or not dishwasher, sorry, washing machine, and you're getting an F10 error code. So what is this error code and how to get rid of it? So the F10 error code means that the washing machine is not able to get water in it. So you turn it on and it starts to fill up with water, and it gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with water, and whether it's getting a better flow or a worse flow, it'll take up more or less time. But if after a certain amount of time it hasn't gotten the water that it needs, bang, it'll throw up this error. So we need to figure out why is your machine not getting water. So there's a couple real simple reasons it could not be getting water. First thing I would check, most easiest thing to do, come around back to the valve that you turn on and off to turn the water on and off, and just make sure that it's turned all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise, all the way open. That might be preventing the water from flowing well enough. The next thing you want to do is that line that goes from that valve to the back of your washing machine that brings it water. You want to make sure that there are no kinks or bends, or it's not smushed anywhere, because what can happen sometimes is you can push the machine back against the wall and it's unable to get water into the machine. So the next thing that you can do is where it goes into the machine, you can undo it. There is a little filter screen for debris. Make sure that is not clogged or anything like that. So by checking that water line, almost always you should be able to fix this problem. If it's not that, it might be something internal in the machine that's wrong, and you might need to call a technician for that. But hopefully by checking the water intake, you should be able to get things fixed. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.